Welcome to Boneyard Garage. So I went down and picked up a nice little economy tractor tonight. It's not mine. I gotta work on it for somebody. It's a pretty nice looking tractor. Actually, they're thinking about selling it after the summer, so who knows, maybe I will end up with it. Got the cutting deck on it. Got hydraulics. Got the Kohler K-Series engine. She needs a little work. So this is going to be my next video once I start working on this. Not going crazy, just going to get it running and usable. Gonna need to put a tube in that front tire. Go over it, oil change, probably gotta clean the carburetor, gas tank, need a new battery. So. Okay, be more to come on this thing. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video. I think it's a pretty cool old tractor. I have to figure out what year it is, but it's the sister of my Country Squire, a little newer. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Boneyard out.